Assalamu alaikum, fellow chefs. We face a challenge greater than climbing a mountain, boiling and peeling the egg. This egg is halal certified by the chicken herself. I asked, and she said, "Bak bak," which I think means yes. Safety first. You never know when an egg might go poof. Fill the pot up with water, enough so that the egg can easily swim. Don't forget to say Bismillah because eggs need barakah too. Don't drop it hard unless you want a scrambled egg soup. Fellow chefs, turn the stove on to medium high for 10 and boil the egg for 10 to 15 minutes for a hard-boiled egg. That's enough time to read a short surah or count how many times your little brother says, "I'm 4." Wait for the water to boil like the pot is angry. Now give the egg a spa day. See? It makes the egg happy. Tap, 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 roll, roll, roll. Tap, 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 roll, roll, roll. Peel from the big end. That's where the air bubbles live. Smooth and shiny. Ready for a pinch of salt. Delicious. Remember, eggs are blessings from Allah. Eat them, share them, and say Alhamdulillah. Thanks for joining Chef Ishmael in his halal kitchen. Don't join me next time so I can give you more cooking ideas without setting off the fire alarm. No eggs were harmed in the making of this video, except for this one. It was delicious.
See you next time!